Hi guys, gals, dctmakes here. I'm going to do a quick review on these monkeys. They are Fiskars L5532 Power Gear 2. Look, ultra sharp, really. They cam out to 2 inches. Really don't know how many people, even with a camming mechanism on the back there, are capable of cutting 2 inches with it, but we'll give it a shot. They are extremely good. I tried them out on a bunch of brush, fresh cut, and some older stuff. Goes through the older stuff that's dried a little like butter, but the newer stuff, you know you're cutting, but they're pretty good. I'll bring you back in a minute and we'll take them outside and give them a shot. Well, here we go. Just a little bit of brush. But, this guy down here, that guy, 3/4 of an inch. That lovely sound. Go up to about an inch. Straight through. We'll try something over here a little bit larger. This is maple, about an inch and a little inch and a quarter maybe. Let's cut that off pretty good. Let's try this piece up here. It says they cut to 2 inches, but you have to have the arms extended like that to get to it. And I suppose you can pop that end in the ground and lever against it, but we'll give this one here a shot. That's about an inch and a half. I cut that pretty good. There's a 2-inch piece down here. I doubt it's going to do this. Jaws extended all the way out. Grab a hold of that. As you see, that's a good 2-inch piece. I don't think, oh maybe, I'm leaving it against the floor. Well, I did it in the end. That was a struggle, but for the up to the 1.5 inch stuff, great tool. Fiskars L5532 Power Gear 2. Let's knock this piece out of here. Let's give that a shot. That's a pretty good pair of loppers. You have a good day, guys. See you, bye.